How to switch from public account to private account on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch from public to private account. So if you have a public account, everyone can see your videos and reply to your questions or comments on your videos. If you don't want that, you have to switch from public to private account. So only people you know can see your videos. Now go to TikTok, tap on profile, tap on those three buttons up there, tap on setting and privacy. You have the first option, which is many accounts, the second option, which is privacy, tap on there. Now you have the first option again, which is private account, tap on there. Now your account is private. If you wanna go back to a public account, you're gonna tap and they ask you if you really wanna change to a public account, cause there is a lot of people you don't know gonna watch your videos. Tap on confirm. And now you have your normal public account. And this is our video. Hope it was helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.